If you're just getting started with Squarespace, this video will cover the basic but essential steps to create an online presence for your personal brand, small business, or online store. You'll create the structure of your site by adding pages to your navigation. When you add a page in the Pages panel, its title appears as a link in your site header. To add pages to your navigation, click the plus icon. Select the type of page you want to add. Enter a page title and press enter. If you want this page to be the first page visitors see, set it as your home page. To edit your site header, click Edit, hover over the site header, and click Edit Site Header. Your site header can also include a site title or logo. Icons that link to social media, and a shopping cart icon. These help highlight important features for your visitors. Now it's time to add content to your pages. Blocks will be the primary foundation of your site. In the left panel, click the page you want to edit. Click Edit in the top left corner of the page preview. Click an insert point and select the block you want to add. Repeat this process to add more blocks. To arrange your content, move blocks by clicking and dragging them around the page. Hover over Done and click Save to save your changes. If you have an online store, you can sell products and services through your site. If you're considering selling products on your website, check out our business or commerce plan to help you get started. Learn more at squarespace.com. Next is to edit your site style to change fonts, colors, and other design elements. To make style changes to your whole site, click Design in the Home menu, then click Fonts, Colors, Animations, or spacing. You can style individual sections to change aspects of their layout, display, or background. To edit section styles, click Pages, then click the page you want to edit. Click Edit in the top left corner of the page preview. Hover over the section you want to style, and click the pencil icon. Your options will vary depending on the section. After making changes, hover over Done and click Save. When you're ready, you can upgrade your site to paid service by clicking the subscribe button or publish your site. Your website is now live to the public. Let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.